Let's take a quick look at how Teledyne LeCroy can help you with your 10-base T1S signals and debug scenarios. This is an example of a multi-drop network with 4 10-base T1S nodes. This is what the probing setup looks like for the signals that are being acquired on the WavePro HD oscilloscope that we're using to collect the data.
So first is taking a look at physical layer analysis and protocol analysis. And this is an example, real scope screen, it's captured a 10-base T1S signal. It's decoded it and it's at 500 microseconds per division. So that's the time scaling here. And then this is zoomed in at just over 2 microseconds per division, and it's looking at a narrow slice of the waveform. So it's looking at this part of it right here that's highlighted. And it's showing the beacons, it's showing packets, data transmission, it's showing each of those, and then zoomed in, each of the different portions of the message is highlighted with different colors, showing each one. And here, this is an example where I turned on some measurements. So a lot of times, if we're using protocol analyzers, we might just see the protocol, but the scope software here is decoding the protocol, and at the same time, I also set up some measurements like rise time, overshoot positive and negative, peak to peak, amplitude, min-max, standard deviation, things like that, being measured on it. So this way it's characterizing both the physical layer and the protocol layer at the same time. And this is a technique you could use where if you want to isolate just a specific node, then here I just selected to sort by ID, so I'm looking at IDs, just ID 1. Here I'm sorting by ID 2, so it's just showing the 2s there. And so it's highlighted the areas that are being looked at. This one's just looking at ID number 3, and so the decode's been deactivated on the scope for anything that's not ID of node 3, and the node 3s are highlighted here, and then this is an example, one of those packets, and now the table's just showing ID 3. So that's a way that you could isolate specific nodes in 10-base T1S. Or you could isolate 2 different nodes at the same time, and to do that, you can click on the ID and select both 1 and 3 as the nodes that you want to look at. Here I'm clicking on the table and I want to take a look at some more decode details. So just by clicking on that, it's showing that here's all the data that's being transmitted. This is something coming out of node 1 as an example.